Hello, in this tutorial we will talk about the output panel, which is the place to view the messages and also capable of filtering them. Reza here. Welcome to another tutorial. As you can see here, we have one error message and then a few printed infos. You can also filter them by toggling these on and off. Just see the info or just see the errors or the warning messages. It's also possible to expand and collapse the messages. You could see the error one was expanding and collapsing. You can also search through these by a specific word. If I click on this search button, you can see it's searching for words that are contained any text that you put here, or starting with or ending with, or a regular expression method as well is available for the search options. I could also just click on one of the messages and copy this one, or copy all messages, or clear all. There's also a timestamp actually that is shown over here, showing that when in the simulation runtime this message was printed here. And then under the gear button, there are also some very useful options. For example, here we can see duplicate messages. You could just toggle it off. Or then you could show debug messages. Here I ran actually the refresh of the electronic catalog before starting the tutorial, so you can see that thumbnails are being updated, some debug messages there. And you could also clear the simulation when you start every time. It's a start button here. Or then just clear the output panel whenever you close the layout. And then you can also auto-expand new messages. For example, this one could be auto-expanded when printed, if this was toggled on. This is what I wanted to go through with you. Please go ahead and try the output panel by yourself. See you in another tutorial, and bye for now.